Welcome back to Autowondr. The 2026 Kia Carnival arrives as a refreshed statement in modern family mobility. With sleeker styling, hybrid power, and enhanced comfort, it bridges practicality and sophistication in ways few MPVs ever have. Kia calls it a multi-purpose vehicle, but it's more than that. It's a rolling lounge built for real life. From the outside, the 2026 Carnival adopts Kia's latest design language, combining clean surfaces with bold geometric lines. A wider tiger nose grille now merges seamlessly with slimmer LED headlights, giving the front end a confident SUV-like stance. Subtle creases along the sides emphasize its length and purpose, while new 18 and 19-inch wheel designs add a hint of athleticism. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar connects vertical tail lamps, mirroring the brand's futuristic aesthetic. New paint options such as mineral blue and gravity gray elevate its premium presence. Inside, the Carnival continues to blur the line between minivan and luxury cruiser. The expansive cabin can seat up to 8 passengers, featuring available VIP second-row lounge seats that recline, ventilate, and even include extendable leg rests. High-quality materials, soft-touch leatherette, ambient lighting, and satin-finish trim give the interior a distinctly upscale feel. The sweeping digital dashboard combines a 12.3-inch driver display with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, both running Kia's latest connected OS with over-the-air updates. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new 14-speaker Bose audio system immerse passengers in technology and sound. Practicality remains unmatched, with power sliding doors, smart tailgate access, and versatile cargo flexibility for families on the move. Performance takes a major step forward with the introduction of a new hybrid option. Combining a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine and electric motor, it delivers around 242 horsepower with smooth, silent torque delivery and improved fuel efficiency. The proven 3.5-liter V6 remains available for those who prefer traditional muscle, ensuring confident acceleration and effortless cruising. Both pair with refined automatic transmissions, tuned for smoother shifts and quieter operation. Ride comfort has been enhanced through improved suspension damping and better cabin insulation, creating a more serene driving experience. Safety and convenience continue to lead the segment, with Kia's latest DriveWise suite. Features include highway driving assist, smart cruise control, surround view monitoring, and forward collision avoidance with junction and pedestrian detection. Starting around $37,000, the 2026 Kia Carnival transforms the idea of what a family vehicle can be: stylish, versatile, and surprisingly luxurious. It's not just about getting there, it's about enjoying the journey together.